Launching a new product, it's got to be one of the hardest things you and your team will ever do. You'll need to make a good product, market it, and then get the customers in. And don't forget the tech. You're going to need to follow up a lot. Launching your digital product can be one of the most exciting aspects of being a digital creator. But how do you ensure it's not just a launch, but a hit? A successful launch is more than just releasing a product. It's about creating a moment, an event that your audience can't wait to be a part of. Let's break down my approach. First, it's all about the build-up. Start teasing your product well in advance. Create a sense of anticipation. Use sneak peeks, countdowns, and behind-the-scene glimpses to stir up excitement. Engagement is crucial. Involve your audience in the journey. Polls, Q&A sessions, and live streams are great ways to do this. Make them feel like they're a part of the process, not just spectators. Now let's talk marketing. Your launch needs a strong, multi-channel marketing strategy. Email campaigns, social media, collaborations. Use every tool in your arsenal to spread the word. And don't forget about conversion optimization. Make sure your landing page, checkout process, and calls to action are fine-tuned for the best possible conversion. Launching a digital product is a great experience, and with the right strategy, it can be incredibly rewarding. For more insights on boosting your online presence and getting more customers from the internet, check out my other videos. I've got tons of free resources on my website, nicholaspap.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for joining me today. I'm excited to see your digital products take off, and catch you in the next video.